Adult Learning Wales, we are a further education college and we provide professional qualifications for youth workers right across Wales. We are passionate about investing in a workforce that knows what they're doing and why they're doing it. Well, we're pretty flexible, so we usually come out to venues where the youth workers are. Sometimes we go to a community centre or a church building or some kind of leisure centre where we would deliver to people who would come to that centre. But we also deliver online through Microsoft Teams, get the same sort of teaching experience, same qualification. All our tutors are professionally qualified themselves with a degree in youth work plus management experience in youth work and a teaching qualification. So whether it's online or face-to-face, they're going to be well looked after.
The easiest thing when you tell somebody you're a youth worker, they instantly think, oh, you just play pool with young people and you go on trips and do fun things. When that is part of it, but behind that is the conversations, it's the skills, it's the relationship building, and there's the same as when you're teaching youth work, it's building those trusting relationships first, and then you can actually, once you've got that trusting relationship, then you can actually look into wider things or deeper things. So it's about learning about them as a person, them growing. They're going through adolescence, so with all the big changes, the risk-taking behaviour. So we're not there as teachers and we're not there as social workers. We're almost an in-between and a mix of all of it.
I thought it was going to be harder than it was. Like, I thought it was going to be like I couldn't get it at all. With the support of obviously like the tutor and the group as well, I feel like we're all in the same bubble. So like we're all learning together, which is really nice.
We all bounce ideas off each other, so it's not so isolated if you're trying to formulate ideas yourself. We're all kind of sharing our own experiences from different youth work practices, and it's really fun. I think it makes the whole learning experience much more enjoyable, whether we're doing that online or in person.
Nes I dewis Addysg Oedolion Cymru mwyn gallu datblygu gyrfa fi fel swyddog ieuenctid a gallu gwneud y cwrs yn dwyieithog a hefyd I datblygu Saesneg fi.
My role as a youth development officer is to increase the reach. So how we do that is look at what the needs of the young people are, what they want. And a lot of young people have said about digital engagement, music studios. So like I said, a multimedia room, we're getting the views of young people through podcasting. We're doing digital art, we're doing green screen, we're doing a music studio, so we're getting bands in. And yeah, we're doing sporting activities and opportunities within the community with local schools as well.
Some of my friends said it was really fun. So on the first day I came here and all the staff are really lovely, so I decided to come here quite a few more times and I find it really fun.
It's good to get out of school, not just go home, but to come to youth because there's more activities you can do here than home.
It's somewhere like you can come if you're happy or you're sad.
When I was 13, I lost my brother to a tragic accident. Levi was the first person I really lost. I never experienced grief before. I wasn't attending school for about 9 months to a year. I got in contact with a youth mentor that took me under her wing. We done some like arts and crafts sessions, some cooking sessions, and then I fell in love with the idea of youth work. I was like, this is really cool, I would love to do this as a job. So then I volunteered here at my local youth club, and then a traineeship came up, so I applied for it, and then I got that, and I've been here for like 2 years and a bit, and then I've recently just got a full-time position as a youth support worker.
We're there to kind of support on a million different topics. We're also seen as being experts in everything, which we can't be. We'll be signing posters, we can bring the right people in. But I think it's being that safe space hub again for young people to know that they can go to.
Seeing like the kids coming in, and if they're having a down day, like you can really catch on because you know the kids so well. And then it's rewarding them, like taking them on trips, and because not many children, you know, go out on the 6 weeks holidays or they can't afford it or their parents don't do it. So it's nice seeing, you know, that smile on their face when we're just taking them water rafting or bringing pizza in for them, you know, and they love it. So yeah, it's really rewarding.
Fi'n credu mae'n swydd gwych. Fi'n credu bod Mae eto lot o hyblygrwydd a lot o lle i fod yn greadigol o fewn y swydd. Mae rhaid ti weithio'n galed, mae rhaid ti moyn gweithio gyda pobl ifanc, mae rhaid ti deall persbectif nhw neu moyn gwrando ar pobl ifanc a moyn cymryd ochr nhw, achos does ddim lot o bobl yn actually wneud hwnna. So ni'n dweud bod mae'n swydd really da, mae'n wych, ond mae rhaid ti bod yn person cywir.
I think just to be able to give young people a supportive environment and the skills that need to thrive is crucial, you know, and it's a really rewarding job. I'd recommend it to anybody, yeah.
A lot of people will actually, once they're on the course, they get offered opportunities to apply for jobs or apply for experiences. A lot of them actually find specialities within youth work, so it might be participation, detached youth work, doing street-based or issue-based youth work, so they find their passion and their niche within youth work. And we've seen a lot of youth workers that have started as learners with us maybe at the age of 16 doing the level 2, and they've come on then to be supervisors and fieldwork facilitators for us. So we see a full circle with a lot of our learners, which is really nice to see.
Soon I'm going to be setting up a group called the Loss Project, with loss of someone special. So it's all to help and support young people going through like grief and trauma. I feel like these young people are going to come to me with all these emotions which I had like when I first started, because obviously they might not have someone, or when I was experienced my grief, I didn't want to speak to my mum because I didn't want to get her upset or anything, so I used to speak to my youth mentor that was outside of the family circle. So I think setting up this group would just will help other young people going through the same.
I think Nevaeh is a great youth worker, and she's very respectful to all the children here, and she's fair with everyone.
Sometimes youth workers have something wrong with them, and sometimes they know what it feels like, so sometimes they can help out.
I think Nevaeh is sweet and kind, and she just uses her heart to everyone, and is kind to everyone.
If there's anything happening, we can tell them. If there's something not just in here, outside as well, because they can probably help you with it. The
thing for me, what happens is that you get maybe 5 years down the line, and someone comes up to you and goes, "Oh, thanks a lot, thank you. You've changed it, and they've got a family, and they've got children, and they've got a job." Or, that's the beauty of the job.
Just go to your local youth club, see if there's any opportunities that you can get, because I do say it's the best job, because you can just help and give back kind of, and you can use your experience to help other young people. So yeah.